Hi everyone, welcome back to Vin Virtuosa. Today we're diving into the world of Spanish tapas, small plates that pack big flavor and are perfect for sharing. Whether you're hosting a cozy gathering or ringing in the new year, these 3 easy tapas recipes will impress your guests and pair beautifully with sangria. Let's get started. First up, we're making a crowd pleaser. Bacon wrapped dates stuffed with creamy goat cheese. These are sweet, savory, and absolutely irresistible. Start by taking pitted dates and gently stuff them with a small amount of goat cheese. Next, you're gonna wrap each date in a half a slice of bacon, secure it with a toothpick, and place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Then you're gonna bake them in a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until the bacon is golden and crispy. Serve these warm, and trust me, these will disappear in seconds. Our next recipe is incredibly quick and elegant. Marinated olives paired with Manchego cheese on skewers. It's a tapas classic and brings bold flavors to the table. Start by marinating your mixed Spanish olives with a drizzle of olive oil. I'm using manzanilla olives today, but there's a variety. You can find the list on the website. And then you want to add some fresh citrus zest. And a sprig of rosemary as well. Let them marinate for at least an hour to soak up all the flavor. Next, cut the Manchego cheese into cubes and alternate them with olives on small skewers. These are vibrant, flavorful, and perfect for snacking while sipping on sangria. Our final recipe is a warm, savory option. Spanish chorizo bites simmered in red wine. It's rich, aromatic, and an absolute favorite. First, you want to slice your Spanish chorizo into bite-sized pieces. Cook the chorizo in a skillet with a splash of red wine. Letting the chorizo absorb all the flavors of the wine as it reduces. Add in a little smoked paprika for a little extra oomph. Plate these with toothpicks for easy snacking. The smoky spiced chorizo pairs wonderfully with the fruity notes of sangria. If you're looking for a unique way to celebrate New Year's Eve, why not host a tapas-inspired party? These small plates encourage mingling, and they're a great way to explore bold, exciting flavors. Plus, they pair perfectly with a festive sangria. Speaking of sangria, stay tuned because I have a bonus video coming your way where I'll show you how to make this sparkling sangria. Perfect for toasting the new year. I hope you loved these easy tapas recipes. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the sparkling sangria recipe. Cheers and Happy New Year!